Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your camera and browser are ready. Once you open Google Meet, choose More Options and then Settings. This takes you straight to camera controls. You must pick the physical webcam you want to use, not a virtual camera, because mirror settings depend on the active device. Make sure no other app is locking the camera. After selecting the camera, pause and observe the small preview. That preview is where you'll toggle mirroring off or adjust the feed. Next, you'll look for the mirror or self-view option in Meet's video settings. Turn it off so your preview reflects how others see you. If Meet doesn't show a mirror toggle, open your webcam's driver or vendor app. Logitech, Razer, or built-in camera utilities often host mirror settings. For virtual cameras like OBS or Minicam, open that program and disable mirroring there instead. Once done, return to Meet and verify the preview matches reality and text reads correctly. Finish by joining a quick test call or ask a colleague to confirm the view. You want to see the unmirrored feed from another participant's perspective. If the change didn't take effect, restart your browser and check for camera locks by other apps. Make sure your webcam drivers are up to date and temporarily disable browser extensions that alter video. If things still go wrong, switch to another browser or disable virtual camera software to isolate the source. Then reapply the unmirror setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.